Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to do something very interesting. We will review success stories of companies that are already leveraging artificial intelligence and advanced analytics to transform their maintenance processes. If you are looking for practical examples that inspire you to bring these technologies to your company, stay with me. Let's see how these companies have reduced costs, optimized resources, and improved operational efficiency in ways you might never have imagined. Let's start with the energy sector. A large energy company operating wind turbines faced a common challenge: unexpected failure of critical components. This resulted in downtime that not only impacted production, but also increased maintenance costs. To address this, they implemented an AI-based predictive maintenance strategy. Using IoT sensors installed on the turbines, they collected real-time data on component vibration, temperature, and pressure. They then applied machine learning algorithms to predict when failures would occur before they were visible to the human team. The result? A 30% reduction in turbine failures and a 20% increase in operational efficiency. This company not only saved millions in maintenance costs, but also increased production and avoided unplanned downtime. Now let's turn to the automotive sector. A global automotive manufacturer faced the problem of unforeseen failures on its automated assembly line, leading to production delays and high repair costs. The solution was to implement machine vision with deep learning to inspect the parts in real time. These AI systems were able to detect defects that would otherwise have gone undetected by the human eye or traditional systems. They also implemented a prescriptive maintenance system, which not only predicted failures, but recommended the best actions to avoid downtime or improve efficiency. Thanks to this implementation, the company managed to reduce unplanned downtime by 40% and improved production efficiency by 25% by reducing the number of defective parts. A true example of how AI not only prevents failures, but also optimizes the entire production process. Mining has also benefited greatly from AI and advanced analytics. In this case, a mining company that operates heavy equipment, such as excavators and trucks, was struggling with costly downtime due to unforeseen machine failures. To address this, they implemented an artificial intelligence platform that monitored real-time operational data from this equipment, such as engine performance and hydraulics. Using machine learning, the AI was able to identify where patterns on critical parts, allowing engineers to plan maintenance interventions before a failure occurred. The result was impressive: 35% less unscheduled downtime and a 25% increase in machine availability. In addition, they managed to reduce maintenance costs by 20%, all thanks to the ability to anticipate failures and perform maintenance at the right time. Finally, let's turn to the aerospace sector. A company involved in the manufacture of critical aircraft components faced a major challenge: to ensure that its high-precision machines, such as CNC machines, would operate without interruption. They implemented advanced sensors to monitor cutting tool condition and part wear in real time, using AI to accurately predict when a tool needed to be replaced. This not only reduced machine downtime by 20%, but also optimized tool usage, resulting in a significant reduction in material costs. In addition, they managed to reduce defects in the manufactured parts by 15%, improving both the quality and efficiency of the process. As you have seen, the implementation of AI and advanced analytics is already generating extraordinary results in industries of all kinds. If you think your company can benefit from these technologies, I invite you to connect with me on LinkedIn. Together we can explore how you can apply these tools in your own environment and lead the digital transformation in your organization. Thank you for joining me on this journey through these success stories. In the next session, we'll dive deeper into how to collect and manage quality data to make your analytics accurate and effective. Don't miss it. See you in the next video.